Hello! Today's day 6 of the trading challenge on these 50k evals from Apex. I had already started recording, but my chart capture wasn't working, and so it's fine, we'll start over. I have not taken any trades yet. In the first hour we had climbed up, and then we had a bit of a reversal, and we just barely climbed back to that high from the first hour, but we've rejected again. So I'm just watching here to see whether we keep losing strength or if we're going to shore up and get going again. Don't want to be in too much of a hurry, but I am excited to trade today, so trying to temper those emotions so that I don't take bad trades. But I am feeling good, and I'm ready to find an opportunity. There's a chance here to get a little pop out of this bottom. Take a stab. Smaller size. My mouse is freaking out. We'll tighten up the risk. 54 might be too high. Come back here up before the EMAs. And the trend right here is down, so this is probably a little bit counter trend, but I think there's an opportunity from this low to retrace back up. In my experience, usually these 50 levels just kind of act like magnets. And on the 5 minute, even though this is, we've been coming down here, overall we've still been kind of trending up. So we'll see. This could absolutely just go to the bottom here and stop us, but there's a shot to come back to around 150. So we're just gonna watch and see. New 5 minute right now, just started. No, that's a lot of down on this start, so let's see if we shore up some strength here. We need our bulls to show up. We're only asking for like 15 points, not even a full 15, so just to get some money in our pockets, start Monday off a little better. Yeah, I think we are going to come back and push 150. We're going to move it up so we get a proper 15 points. Let's just see. We'll tighten this up here to the bottom of this wick. We'll just keep this one safe. We could get stopped here. This is a tight stop, but oh man, we got right there. 147, so close. Yeah, it's probably gonna fail. Too close of a stop, but it also could just start going back down again, so. Yep, stopped there. Not a great place for a long, but we played defensively. Yeah, see, let's see if this comes up and touches. It probably will. Oh, yeah. It looks like it's going to come and at least touch our 65 EMA here, which is right around 150. Yeah, mistake. Yeah, right here. So, yep. That would have been a winner for at least the 15 points we wanted. It's alright. We'll live to fight another day. We could start rejecting again, potentially. Yeah, I want to do the short. Tighten this up a little bit. My ATM strategy here on NinjaTrader is 20 point take profit, 20 point stop. So just to help me get in easy, and then I can adjust it based on whatever risk parameters or setup I see. I told myself I was going to size up this week, so maybe let's build some confidence here and then we'll add more size. Yeah, the market might want higher here. It might not be the play to short this first pullback. Like this might have been, long the EMA instead. I kind of want to see it stop here. Oh, nope. Yeah, see? Lots of strength right here. Yeah, that's strength. We're going to get stopped. That was a big, strong bar. Okay. Yeah. We can shift our bias. We can get long here. Usually good to trust the bigger bars, although if that fails, if we come all the way back right here, that's probably our sign. Let's get up here and let's hold for the move. I also usually don't want to add a trade immediately following a stop. That puts you in the revenge territory. So it wouldn't be terribly surprising to see us get stopped here with some kind of reversal before it happened. Like, we could have waited to see over the next 2 to 5 minutes that we actually did hold this high. You know, if we come down a little bit but we don't get lower and we keep at our EMAs, we hold this 150 area of interest, and from there we're like, okay, great, we've got some confirmation we could hold up. I'm putting a lot of weight on the strength of this bar here coming right back up above this 150 level, and the fact that while we cruised right back up to retrace, we had a little pullback here and it just immediately got back up, or bought back up. Our ATR is still, 18 to 27 points, so can very easily get wicked in this range for this size of stop. This is the third 5-minute bar in a row that hasn't really been able to get over 165. So, that might be a sign. And the big sell-off candle before that happened, 15 minutes ago, the highest it got, or where it turned around to go down, was around 165. So that might be a resistance point there. Yep, chopping right there. We longed kind of at the high, so we'll see if we can get it. We need strength there. We kind of just need to go. Here we go again. What will we do? All right, do the thing. Big push, come on. Don't reverse here. Might reverse here. Definitely seems like we're stuck in this chop zone. 3 micros now. I want to keep going. 3 minutes left on this 5-minute. A lot of struggling, which maybe isn't great. I like that look. We just need to keep going. Wicked right off. Was higher than before. Yeah, this could be where we do some good pushing. New 5 minutes starting. Really don't want this one to come back and just retrace everything we just did. Yeah, we've rejected right off of the 200. I tightened up on purpose to keep our risk tight, but we're just gonna get stopped out here. Yeah, not a big loser by any means, but we had, almost $100 in profit at the peak of that trade, so that's tough. Having a hard time today. This is kind of a decent bar move down here, which means that original short thesis we had before could be coming to play out now. But also, we could try and short the pullback on this and it comes back and grinds again, so hard to say. We're gonna market these in, going off this big green bar. Or we'll retrace the entire big green 2-minute bar. Yeah, I'm not getting this right today. Didn't get higher than that previous bar. Still struggling with these 150s. Show me the weakness. Yeah, it's hard to trade. It's really hard. Yeah, that's a nice sell there. That makes me think. I want to move it down, but we need to bag our win. But yeah, I mean, look how, oh, yeah, that's gonna hit. That's gonna hit. Yeah, we did it. Okay. And that puts a screen on the day. But see this? I mean, look how far that came. That came right down near 100. It's a strong rejection there, but let's just pull it up. If you look at the 5 minute here. Yeah, it just looks really weak. Coming back down to these previous lows. We'll watch and see what happens, but yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at. This does put us at new highs on the accounts. I mean, this says we're up 80 each, roughly, and that's true, but there's fees, so. It's just not enough. We don't want to pay a rebill fee on all of these accounts. Even with the 80% off deal, the accounts are just over $33 a piece, so call it 34, 10 of them. That's $340 per eval. It'd be nice to just get them done within the month and then pay the activation fee and not have paid more. But we are committed to winning and passing this, so whatever it takes. But I would like to stop trading in chop and start just trading when it's directional. Hard part is you don't know exactly when that's going to be. So I think my big takeaways as I'm thinking back on today and just last week's trading with all these evals is that I need to be on time because about 30 minutes after open, there's a decent reversal or just a decent showing of what could be happening. And for that next 45 minutes to an hour, you really can get some directional, nice continuation on the action. Once you get to about an hour and a half in, you get stuck in chop. And we tried to trade this, and you can just see all these triangles from my entries and exits that we really got stuck. But then you'll see something like this where it does something but has a really strong rejection, and now we're like, okay, we probably are good for short now. And sure enough, we do, and we get this big pull. And this is looking like, even though it got bought up fast, we're going to come right back down and test it again. So it's like we need to be trading when the market is ready to move, not when it's resting, because that's how the market works. It runs and it rests, and it runs and it rests. And we were trying to trade in that resting area. All I had to say, we're green. We had to add exercise to do it, so that could have easily bit us in the butt, but it was a good place to add a trade. And we could have asked for more, so that is that. I've already been trading for a long time. I might just need to call it here and get back to work, but we are making progress. Accounts are green, and we'll come back tomorrow and we will try again. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this. If you have something you'd like to see or something to see we talk about or try, feel free to drop that in the comments. See you later.